The maritime industry, serving as the backbone of global trade, faces, faces an increasing need to balance economic growth with environmental stewardship. Energy efficiency emerges as cornerstone in this endeavor, offering a pathway towards sustainability amidst escalating concerns over climate change and environmental degradation. This explored the multifaceted importance of energy efficiency in the maritime sector and its profound implication for shaping a more sustainable future. The maritime industry is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, with cargo ships alone accounting for a substantial portion of global CO2 emission. This emission not only exacerbate climate change but also contribute to air pollution and air ecosystem degradation. Embracing energy efficient practice such as optimizing vessel design, utilizing cleaner fuels, and implementing advanced propulsion technologies is essential for mitigating these environmental impacts and preserving the health of our planet. Beyond its environmental benefits, energy efficiency in the maritime industry presents compelling economic advantages by reducing fuel consumption and operational costs. Energy efficient vessels enhance the competitiveness of shipping companies in an increasingly competitive market. Moreover, investments in energy efficiency yield long-term financial returns as lower fuel expenditures translate into improved profitability and resilience against volatile fuel prices. As such, energy efficiency is not merely an environmental imperative but also a strategic business imperative for maritime stakeholders. Stringent environmental regulation and emission standards enforced by international bodies like the International Maritime Organization compel the maritime industry to prioritize energy efficiency. Measures such as the Energy Efficiency Existing Ships Index and the Carbon Intensity Indicator mandate vessels to adhere to prescribed energy efficiency standard, driving the adoption of cleaner technologies and practices. Compliance with this regulation not only ensures environmental sustainability but also enhances the industry reputation and legitimacy on the global stage. The pursuit of energy efficiency catalyzes innovation in maritime technology, spurring the development of cutting-edge propulsion, alternative fuels, and smart monitoring solutions. Investment in research and development enable the industry to continually evolve and improve its energy efficiency performance, while also enhancing vessel safety, reliability, and operational efficiency, from advanced full hull design to hybrid propulsion systems. Technological innovation holds the key to unlocking new frontiers in energy efficiency and sustainability within the maritime sector. Energy efficiency in the maritime industry aligns with broader global sustainability goals, including the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and the Paris Agreement's objective to limit global warming by reducing emissions and conserving energy resources. The maritime sector contributes to the transition towards a low-carbon economy and fosters international cooperation in combating climate change. Embracing energy efficiency not only safeguards the future of the maritime industry but also advances the broader agenda of global sustainability and environmental stewardship. Energy efficiency stands as a linchpin in the case for sustainability within the maritime industry. By addressing the environmental imperatives, unlocking economic advantages, ensuring regulatory compliance, fostering technological innovation, and advancing global sustainability goals. Energy efficiency paves the way toward a more resilient, responsible, and sustainable maritime sector as stakeholders collaborate to embrace energy efficient practice and embrace cleaner technologies. The maritime industry can chart a a course toward a brighter, more sustainable future for generations to come.